Hello, I hope you're having a great day. So today's the first farmer's market and I've got my table all set up. I'll give you a look. So sorry about no video yesterday. It just ended up being a really busy day. I did do a little bit of footage. I was at the farmer's market, so I don't really want to video a lot at the farmer's market because I don't want to scare people away. Like, you know, if they see me always videoing and they're not a person that wants to be on video, then I don't really want to take the risk of possibly losing like customers or losing people coming up to check out the flowers. So I took a little video before anybody showed up, and then I show you my booth. But that really was, I had to be there at 6:30 in the morning. Normally it's 7:30, but for the first day they want to like tell everybody their spots and stuff like that, so it was a little bit earlier. And then by the time you break down, when it's over at noon, I get home probably around 12:30. It doesn't take that long to break down or anything. I just have a tent and a couple tables. So, and then after that, I wanted to get ready for what I'm delivering today. I'll show you the bouquets I threw together yesterday. But really, I mean, by the time you do all of that and you have your lunch and then you have dinner, the day just kind of got away from me. But it really wasn't. I didn't do a lot out on the farm. I mainly went to I had my bouquets from the farmer's market, went to the farmer's market. I did good at the farmer's market. I think I brought 3 or 4 bouquets back with me. It was 48 degrees. Like, all of us in our little booths were talking and we're like, it's so cold. Like, nobody's going to get out of bed today to come to the farmer's market. But we surprisingly had a lot of people come through and they were just as cold. So, you know, standing out there for 4 hours in the really cold temps was was not as fun as normal. Like, it is, like, I like heat, so I'd rather be sweating than like shivering. Some people would rather have the cold. There were some people that were in shorts and t-shirts, like it didn't even bother them, and I was in my full-on winter gear with like long johns and then my snow pants. Like, I was decked out and I was still cold because I forgot my gloves. But that was pretty much it. Like, the entire morning consisted of just talking to people, talking about my flowers, and just having a really good day. And then the afternoon consisted of putting the bouquets together. And so today, most of my day, I already watered all of my flowers in my basement. I brought 2 more trays out. So I'm hardening off 13 trays out here, and I think I still have 10 or 11 trays. I might have started another tray. I might have 12 trays in my basement. So 5 of the trays can go into the field, so I'll probably be working on that either later today or tomorrow. I'm not sure because I'm going down south and I do know the people, so I might stay for a while and chit chat. It is Sunday. My videos are always like one day behind. So I don't know what the day is going to bring. I did walk around and check everything out today. It's supposed to rain, like 90% chance on Tuesday, so I'm hoping that's right. I was considering watering again today because everything does look really dry, but the temperatures have dropped down. It's actually, it gets like up to 63 today. My peonies still haven't popped. I've been cutting on just my lupine, my alliums I showed you the video of. I did see some daisies are popping, and then I have my pink spire salvia that has been popping. And so yeah, so that's mainly what's going on with me and the farm. And it's mostly been the process of selling, and that's kind of a hard process to get on video because, like I said, most people don't want to be on video. So I show you as much as I can, and the rest I guess we'll just tell you about. I'm trying to document everything I can for my flower farm the second year. And we'll just see what comes. I can't wait for those peonies to pop. I'm so excited. I do need to do quite a few things. Like, I pretty much sold out of my allium, so I never put them on the website for sale. But I still took pictures and everything so that next year I can pop them on the website for sale. And then I need to weed. I need to still get all my netting up. And I have a lot of trays to get in the ground. So this is gonna be a busy week for me. And it is gonna be cooler. I think it is gonna rain some of the days. So we'll just see how much we get done. But I do hope that everybody is having a fantastic week. And I'll see you in the next one.